Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Honda Civic, the 2.0 liter. So right now the problem is with the blend door motor is not working. So I checked the AC. I had it on cold. On the passenger side it's cold, but on the driver's side it's like just blowing out normal air. So I already know what the problem is. It's a blend door. This is on the driver's side, and I bought the blend door from Honda OEM. This is the part number. They call it the air mixture motor. So there's also a code on the climate control that says even on the driver's side, the air mixture motor. Come on, taking so long. So there you go, that's the code. See, driver's side air mixture motor. And now I'm going to show you how to take it out. For the driver's side blend door motor, there has 3 bolts holding onto it. 1, 2, and 3. So it's located right up on top of the gas pedal. So I already pulled out the connector. I already took out the 3 bolts, but I'm just showing you. So this is the connector for the blend door right here. I'm gonna press on this tab, pull down. For the 3 bolts, you can see I have it here, 7mm. That's one. There's another one on top. There's that one too. So once you take the 3 bolt out, you should be able to remove the blend door out. That's it. I took out the bolts, and then there you go. And then notice how these 2 pins are sitting. Make sure when you put them back, the pin right here, both of them are sitting towards the front, not downward but upward towards the front, so that way it's easier to put back. So I used the stubby quarter ratchet with the 7mm socket here to take out the bolt. So here's my old one. I marked it an X on it. So here's my new one. So those 2 pins that I was talking about earlier, they're gonna line up in this groove right here, but at the same time you're gonna try to line up with the bracket too. So the pin goes in here, and then the bolt goes in here, one right here and one at the bottom. So if you have the 2 pin lined up correctly, the blend door should pop in just like that, very easy. And then just put back the 3 bolts and the connector. Now I'm gonna show you on this side, the passenger side, but on the left it's gonna be the mode. So once I press mode, you're gonna see the blend door motor moving. And then for the recirculate, it's gonna be the one on the on top of the blower motor, which is on the right side of the passenger side. But I'm gonna show you for the mode. So right now I took out the bottom cover, and you're gonna see, I don't know if you can see right here, is the mode door. I don't know if you can see from this angle is better. Let me back it up. So that one right there, the one I'm flashing, that's the one for the mode door. So I'm gonna press the mode right now for you to see. See that button right there? That one right there. So I'm switching it. Switch it again. Switch it again. Switch it again. There you go. Now it's blowing back up to the face. Now for the recirculate, so right now it's on. I'm gonna turn it off, and you're gonna see the blend door on the blower motor is gonna start changing the gear. And so right now it's on. Let me show you. It's really hard to show you with one hand. So that one right there, let me zoom in. I don't know if you can see it, the one with the white connector right there, that one is the one with the recirculate. That's on top of the blow motor. This is the blow motor. Here is the another module that's right on top of it. So right now I'm gonna press the recirculate button. I don't know laying upside down and I'm trying to press it. There you go. Right now it's off. You can see that gear is moving. So right now it's taking air from the outside. Press it again, it's on. So it's closing, so it's keeping the air inside the car. So that's the recirculate blend door motor. For the bottom cover, just snap it back in. It's all clipped. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna say this one more time, guys. Some people like to ask the same question over and over. This is the part number for the blend door, OEM Honda. This one controls the hot and cold side. This is on the driver's side. For the mode, which is the face, the windshield, the feet, that's on the passenger side, but on the left side. And for the recirculate, that's on the right side of the passenger, on top of the blow motor. For the old one, I have to hit it a couple times for it to work, so that's mean the blend door is bad. And people ask me, how do I break it down to like finding codes, like specifically. If you using a cheap scanner, it's not gonna break down everything for you. You buy an expensive scanner, it'll break down specifically. Like this one, it'll read the HVAC code. I can inspect it one by one using this inspection right here. So once I inspect it, it'll check all the AC control unit, all the button, the AC button, the blend door is testing it. So that's how I know everything is break down easily for me. If you're using a cheap scanner, it's not going to do it. But that is it for this video, guys. If you're new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.